In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable disappearing messages on Facebook Messenger. So I'm starting here on Facebook, and the first thing I'm doing is heading up to the top right corner and clicking on the Messenger icon. Once that opens up, I'm looking for See All in Messenger, and I'm clicking that so I can open the full Messenger view. That gives me the full chat layout, which makes it a lot easier to get to the conversation settings without feeling cramped inside the small pop-up panel. Now that I'm inside Messenger, I'm opening the conversation where I want disappearing messages to work. I'm just clicking on the chat normally and letting it load fully on the screen. Once I'm inside that conversation, I'm moving up to the top of the chat and clicking the person's name. That opens the chat details for this specific conversation, and this is the exact area where the message settings are kept. At this point, I'm looking through the options until I find privacy and support. If your screen looks a little different, that's okay. I'm still staying inside the conversation settings and following the same path. Once I see privacy and support, I'm clicking it, and now I'm looking for the option that says disappearing messages. That's the one I need here, so I'm going ahead and clicking it. Now, Facebook Messenger shows the timer options, and this is where I choose how long I want messages to stay before they disappear. So I'm just looking through the available choices, and I can pick something like 24 hours, 7 days, or whatever timer I want from the list that shows up. I'm selecting the timer I want to use for this chat, and once I click it, that setting is applied to the conversation. After that, there really isn't much else to do. I'm just closing the settings and going back to the chat. And that's it. Disappearing messages are now set based on the timer I chose. So if you wanted to turn this on for one conversation in Messenger, that's the full process from start to finish. I'm just moving through it again the same way on screen. I open Facebook, click the Messenger icon at the top right, choose See All in Messenger, open the conversation where I want disappearing messages, click the person's name at the top of the chat, go into privacy and support, tap disappearing messages, choose a timer like 24 hours or 7 days, and then close the settings. Once that's done, the conversation is set up with disappearing messages. Just follow that same flow on your screen, take it one click at a time, and you should be able to turn it on without any trouble.